I can't get out. Oh my God. I can't get the door open. Come on. I can't get help. I can't get out. I can't get out. Okay. John?
Yes.
I was in a car accident.
What? Where?
I don't know and I can't get out. The doors are locked.
Honey, calm down. Where are you?
John Hopkins. Okay. There's smoke. There's smoke coming in the car and the car door won't open. The locks are... Okay.
Alright, use the manual cloth, the manual thing on the door to unlock it.
He got his license plate, okay?
That's good. I got it on tape. Oh. Somebody hit me from behind, brought me right into a truck. Well, the car's totaled.
Honey, calm down. Have you gotten out of the car?
I can't. The door won't work.
Honey. The manual latch
The manual latch?
to unlock the door.
Where's the manual latch? Honey, there's no manual. Okay.
Lady, there is a manual latch to unlock the door. It's up near the door handle.
Oh.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you, honey.
Okay, calm down, sweetie. Calm down.
Jesus. Well, my car's smoking.
So are you okay?
Yeah, I think so.
Did the airbag deploy?
Yes.
You stay there, and if anything happens, then you move. But your seatbelt is out.
I took it off because I was trying to get the door open. Yeah. Oh my God, honey. Did the car that hit me left? Oh my God.
Did you want to take my name as a witness, just in case?
Yeah, you have it, you want to text it to me? Oh, hold on. I got my husband. I think so, yeah. No, I'm moving. It's a little sore here, but, you think I should go to the hospital?
It might be a good idea.
I guess so.
No, I mean, I had a little accident, and then I waited until the next day, and then I was like a mess. I just might be better. So I would
Okay.
suggest that's up to you. What's your number?
Hold on, John. I gotta give somebody my number. I can't even think. This is horrible.